Hey guys, thanks for watching. We're gonna have a look at these Nike Air Max 1 Premiums. They released in 2018. The box title says Nike Air Max 1 Premium. The colors are clay green, hyper royal, and white. The material is really rugged, sort of woven. I don't even know what it is. It seems synthetic, but it's really sturdy, really rugged. We've got the Nike logo as usual. Bit of leather here, blue leather here, blue on the inside in the air bubble. I've been wearing them for a while. I bought them I think 2 years ago. A friend of mine, he bought these when they came out, and I really liked them, and I really liked him wearing them. And that was like way before I started to collect Nikes myself, and I never forgot them. And when I saw them for a nice price, I just bought them. They're really cool. The edges start to ravel off a bit. You can see it on the other shoe as well, I think, like here on the front toe. You can see it like here. This has a lot of I don't even know what's happening, but like all the edges have it for like a bit, and I sometimes use like a scissor to cut it off to keep it clean, but it has some wear and tear. The back logo is really cool too. It's a logo from the Air Max 98. I think 98's had it like on the front of the tongue. I'm not really sure, but here it's got it on the back. It's a nice little homage and detail. I think that's maybe the reason why they call it a premium sneaker. It's a really sturdy shoe. If you like the details, I sure recommend it. It wears through the size. I've got a 10.5, 44.5, and it's fits nicely. I don't know if you can see the insoles, which is just black with a blue Nike logo. Nothing really premium about that. I think the premiumness is just the materials. Well, they're really cool. I hope you got a good enough look at them. Check out my other videos. Maybe I'll see you there. Cheers.